Kamau was restless. The small village, his family's farm, it all felt too small for his dreams. He yearned for the city, for the excitement and wealth he imagined waiting for him in Nairobi. Patience, his father said. Wisdom comes with time. But Kamau felt time slipping through his fingers like grains of sand.
Kamau wanted it all, and he wanted it now. Father, give me my inheritance now. I am ready to make my own way in the world. His father's heart was broken. He pleaded with Kamau, son, don't throw away what we have built. Nairobi is a dangerous temptress. Nairobi was everything Kamau had dreamed of and more. Bright lights, beautiful people, and endless opportunities to spend. He bought new clothes, frequented fancy clubs, and showered his newfound friends with lavish gifts. Life was a party, and Kamau was determined to be the most celebrated guest. The party could not last forever. Money easily gained vanishes just as fast, maybe even faster.